It has over 80,000 members, with its presence felt through 10 branches in Kiambu and Nairobi, with an asset base of 4 billion Kenya shillings.
Nilienda nikapewa pesa ya loan, nikanunua ng'ombe, nikaongeza sababu nilikuwa na moja.
I was able kupata loan ya kwanza 80,000, nikanunua mashini ya kwanza.
Tai also bought us the first 2 pickups to start with.
This is the story of Tai Sacco, which was started 30 years ago by tea farmers, but now it's open to all, including business people and employees in private and public sectors. Tai Sacco Society Ltd, whose headquarters is at the Tai Plaza in Githunguri, Kiambu County, is a deposit-taking and savings credit society. It was registered in 1992 as a back-office services activity under the name Kiambu Tea Growers Sacco. This was necessitated by the farmers' inability to get loans easily from commercial banks.
They realized that they were very much constrained and they needed the money to continue with the normal operations in the tea picking, paying for wages. So they realized that they had to come together and form their own, which they could be able to control themselves without relying on the conventional banks.
In 1992, we were only dealing with back office activities where members would just come, save for 6 months, then borrow. Fast forward to 1989, we opened the front office activities where members could come, deposit their money. In case they require to withdraw the same monies in the same day or the following day, they could be able to do that like we have in conventional banks.
In 2004, Tai Sacco registered a major milestone when it moved from manual to computerized services.
On inception, we were Kiambu Tea Growers Sacco. Then I moved fast to 2009 when we rebranded. We decided through the annual general meeting to change the name to Tai Sacco so that we can be able to go to other counties, Nairobi, Murang'a, Mombasa, and the other counties in our country. We also removed the name tea so that we can bring on board other sectors, employed people like the civil servants, teachers, also be able to handle the dairy sector, coffee, business people, transport, and so on. Then I moved forward to 2010. We got regulated by SASRA, the Sacco Society's Regulatory Authority, so that we follow and abide with the prudential requirements by the regulator.
Tai is the Swahili name for an eagle. An eagle is well known for its conspicuous characters and values. Eagles are high flyers. They are tenacious defenders. They have powerful vision. Tai Sacco's targets are driven by the symbolism of the eagle's characteristics. Its vision is to transform the lives of members socially and economically through provision of timely and innovative financial solutions, while its mission is to be the ultimate financial partner of choice that transforms lives in Kenya.
The Sacco, of course, is governed through a very well-defined structure. The members are the supreme body, so that whatever members have decided, my board has no power at all to change or to do otherwise. So in Tai Sacco, the member is the supreme authority. But again, you realize it may not be very possible for the board to reach the entire membership. So what we have done, we have come up with a system which we call a delegate system. So members are able to choose among themselves through nominations. Of course, they nominate individuals of good ranking, and these individuals now compose the organ of delegates. And this organ is one which now runs the Sacco through, of course, decision-making and annual delegate system. So that's now where the board now also is elected by the delegates.
Tai Sacco has over 200 diaspora members.
We have some in the US, quite a good number. We also have some in Dubai, in the UK as well.
As at close of July 2022, Tai Sacco had more than 70,000 members, out of which about 40,000 are active.
We closed with an asset base of 3.7 billion. According to our strategic plan, we are optimistic that we shall close with slightly more than 4 billion Kenya shillings in total assets.
The Sacco's loan book stood at 2.7 billion Kenya shillings at the same time.
We are also optimistic that by the end of the year, we will close with slightly more than 3 billion Kenya shillings in the loan book. Our loan book, if you convert that into percentages, is more than 70%. It's the biggest asset in our institution because, of course, that is where we get the biggest chunk of our incomes.
Nilijiunga na Tai Sacco mwaka wa 2019 kuwa nilichukua loan ya 120,000. Hiyo loan nikanunua ng'ombe moja, kila siku nimekamua 15 liters and above. Kwa hivyo imeniwezesha kulipa hiyo loan.
I joined Tai Sacco in 1992. I got several loans from them. I was able to put the cow sheds, zero grazing, plant avocados. I also got money to increase the acreage here of tea.
The Sacco runs the following accounts: ordinary savings account, special account without a minimum balance, business account, Tai Junior account, fixed deposits account, call account, holiday account, microcredit and group accounts, and institutions account.
We have other investment accounts. The first investment account is the shares account, where members can be able to save as little as 20 shillings. Because our share has a minimum of 20 shillings. They can be able to save equally on daily basis, whether they are doing it over the counter, a standing order, or generally they can be able to do it through via pay bill. That is 6447 00. Equally, they can be able to have another investment account called the non-withdrawable account, where they can equally be able to save with the same terms as that of the shares.
So, and through the check-off system, the Sacco allows employers to channel the salaries of their employees
if this
through the
video
Sacco.
give them a name.
This comes in handy as security for
Tai
loans.
podcast or something.
Tai Sacco currently has such arrangements with civil servants.
Yeah.
For example,
So
it
that
has
in
MOUs
future
with the Teachers Service
build on it,
Commission
like
and
the name
the
for it.
Ministry of Interior,
Tai Sacco,
as well as 3 county governments.
Yep.
Here in Kiambu
Which
County,
focuses on development,
with the county government
stories of members,
where we lend,
and then also their financial support.
of the county
Financial, yeah.
and also their staff. The salary itself is the security.
Great.
Because we have the MOU, definitely we
So
have
as we just go test.
So the money is deducted at source. So we are able to let it come.
Immediately I became an MCA in 2017. That is when I joined Tai Sacco.
Moving?
To start
like this.
Selling company. And the really guy came in handy. They gave me a loan within a very short period. And from then I've been able to stand.
Tai Sacco has a strong representation through agency banking. It has an agency base of over 100.
Agency banking is a solution which enables
notify everyone around
to go
around
to our members. They are able to now offer services like
oh yeah. We do the test.
Yeah, just do the test.
All right. Yeah, viewers, thank you so much. And this is day 2 of the customer service week, coming to you live from Tai Sacco podcast. The show that brings you every insight about your financial needs, all the stories that we have for all those people who are members of the Tai Sacco. And today we are so glad we have the CEO himself, Mr. John Mwangi, who is the CEO of Tai Sacco. Welcome so much. And guys, before we begin the show, it's good that we let you know that it's a very important week. We are celebrating our customers, and here at Tai Sacco, we have a very big heart for our customers. And welcome to the Customer Service Week. So, Bwana CEO, how are you today?
Also doing well in insurance services. through
Githunguri.
its affiliates
Yes,
known
from
as
Githunguri,
Aquila
Kiambu
Insurance
County,
Agency.
and now all the way heading to Nakuru. We are already there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are customers and members. By the way, we call them members, not just customers.
Yeah.
Because apart from being customers, they are also owners of Tai Sacco.
And that's why we're talking about the customer service week.
True, yeah, right.
So for us, it's about celebration of the members.
Exactly.
So guys, as we go live today, let's start by looking at the first thing. I know we have to start by looking at Tai Sacco itself.
Business loans, asset financing loans, and Macau loans.
Everything good?
This is a product which is
fantastic.
Now, we are able to partner with people, individuals or even corporates, to build houses.
All right, so
homes.
mobilize our
Of course,
teams
homes
as
for
well.
individuals and,
Why
for
nini?
business with
Why nini?
people, we
Nani?
do, say,
Daniel.
apartments.
Share the
Others
links
are
with
Elimu
Kim
loans
on.
for school fees and school expenses, mobile loans, institution
we can
loans
do hashtag
advanced
Tai
to
Sacco or
churches,
something?
schools, colleges, and universities. There is also insurance, premium financing,
Also, I don't move
and
at all.
green energy financing advanced to
All right.
members who are installing solar energy and biogas.
Okay.
As WB, the company, when we started, we needed money, for example, to do the weighbridge. We also needed money to do the office block and to buy the generators. So we went to Tai and we got 40 million from Tai with the easy payment terms.
Wakati nilia
Thank you so much, viewers. And here we are at the Tai Sacco podcast. And this is a show that brings you every information about Tai Sacco, our members, everything about their savings, the plans that we have for them as Tai Sacco. And today, it's all about celebrating Customer Service Week. And I'm here joined by the CEO himself, Tai Sacco CEO, Mr. John Mwangi. Hi, Mr. Mwangi, how are you?
Thank you, I'm good.
Yeah.
Happy to be here.
Happy to be here.
To celebrate our customers and our members. We call them members, not just customers.
Yeah.
They are members because they own the Sacco, and you are happy about it.
And as you talk about the members of Tai Sacco, what kind of numbers are we looking at now?
We are looking at numbers slightly more than 80,000 members and still growing. In Nakuru, we opened in the month of April. Right now, we are heading to 1,000 new members and still growing.
So you're talking about heading to 100,000, is it?
No, for Nakuru.
For Nakuru,
1,000.
1,000. We are talking about 1,000 members for Nakuru, and then overall Tai Sacco has a total of over 80,000 members.
Exactly.
That really means that you as a member, or if you're somebody who has not yet joined the Sacco or joined the Tai Sacco, then we have a lot. So to begin with, just give us an overview, just the history, the mission, and some of the services that you offer to these members.
Thank you, Juan Alphonse. Now, Tai Sacco was incepted in the year 1992. By then, it was a back office activity only. The main purpose was to bring services closer to the people. If you can recall, during those years, majority of the conventional banks started increasing the minimum deposits, which used to be there then, such that the small mwananchi wa kawaida could not afford to have an account in a bank. Imagine you are supposed to have a minimum deposit of 10,000, 20,000. These members who were mainly tea farmers could not afford to have such kind of money in their account, just lying there without them being able to access it. Inclusion was, of course, another purpose of the members of Tai Sacco forming the Sacco. And to be precise, it is the tea farmers of Kiambu County who started Tai Sacco. By then, we used to be called Kiambu Tea Grower Sacco. Because it was mainly for the tea farmers. But with the time, as time went by, in the year 2009, we rebranded. Now from Kiambu Tea Grower Sacco to Tai Sacco.
So that's in the year 2009.
2009.
From Kiambu Tea Grower Sacco
to
now
Tai
to Tai
Sacco.
Sacco.
Yes. We removed the name Kiambu so that we can go to the other counties. We can go to Nairobi. By the way, we have about 2 branches in Nairobi. We can go to Murang'a, we can go to Kisumu, and any other county in our country. Then we also removed tea, so that we bring on board other members from other sectors. We have teachers, we have civil servants, we have the county government staff like Kiambu County, Nairobi, and now we are in Nakuru. We are serving so many other sectors, the dairy sector, the coffee sector, business people, that is the SMEs. We are basically almost everywhere. The products that we are having are many. We have launched the many sectors that we have in our country.
Yeah.
By the way, the only sector that we are not serving today is, what do you call it? Here and Dege. We have not reached the space for buying aircraft. Aviation industry is not yet, but the others we are there. Mining, because we are having quality people and all that, we are there.
So are you telling the listeners who are listening to us live that you can cover every sector? Every person from every sector can join Tai Sacco?
True, that is the truth. We are in all these sectors. I've said about tea, coffee, employed people in the government service, in the private sector, business people, all of them.
Everyone.
The products are many. We customize, we reason to our customers. We customize products depending on the different needs and the sectors that we are serving in our country. For example, if you look at an employed person, there's a person who is getting a regular income, a regular pay every month. But when you go to coffee, tea, these are products and services or products that fluctuate depending on the weather and the season. So we package. If you go to pottery, if you go to, for example, pottery, remember here, pottery, or when you rear a chicken, they lay eggs after how many months? About 4. So if you have to give this person a loan, you've got to customize the product such that the timing of the payment of the installments matches with the kind of activity or economic activity that this person is engaged in. So we customize. Generally, we want to transform. Our mission is to transform lives of our customers and our members. You do not need, or you should not be the same person after joining Tai Sacco 2 years down the line. You should be a different person, economically and even socially. Yes.
So that means that there's a lot. I know you'll be able to talk about the products, but I've just seen right now you have already 11 branches.
True.
With a particular one, the recent newborn in Nakuru. What really leads this expansion? Because I think recently we were just celebrating Nairobi.
True.
Yeah. So what really leads to this expansion?
Thank you for that question. The demand or the request for us going to Nakuru is requests from our people, mainly who are from Central Province, formerly Central Province, and they are in Nakuru. They have been hearing about us, about the many products that we are offering to people in Central Province. So we got so many requests from the people there. So we thought it is good to serve those people in Nakuru so that they also enjoy what their peers who they left in Central Province are enjoying. And of course, number 2, we would wish to use Nakuru as our base for expanding into the Rift Valley space. Rift Valley is big. We would wish to have a foot or a central place where we shall now expand. Maybe go to Eldoret, we come to Naivasha, go to Joro, and there are many other places in Nakuru, including Narok and Kajiado. Yes, thank you.
And you're not talking about Kisumu, Dala?
No, we'll be there.
You'll soon be there.
Heading there.
So, talking about the Sacco as well, I know Tai Sacco, for everyone who knows about the Sacco, you've made several achievements.
True.
Just tell us some of the achievements that you've made as Tai Sacco that would make someone who is not yet on the Sacco to consider joining Tai Sacco.
Thank you for that question, Bon Alphonse. Now, I may go back to this year Ushirika Day celebrations, which were held in on 1st of July in Nairobi, plus of course in many other counties in our country. At the National Ushirika Day celebrations, we were able to get number 2 in technology optimization.
Wait a minute.
Yes.
So you're saying you are ranked number 2?
Yes, number 2 for agriculture-based SACCOs.
Yes. On
technology optimization, which means we have made our operations so easy such our people are able to use their phones wherever they are to access their bank accounts, to transfer money, to buy airtime, to pay for utility services like electricity, DSTV, water, and so on.
Yeah.
They can also be able to move money using their phone. They can also be able to move money from their account to any conventional bank. So that was one achievement for these years.
And congratulations for that.
Yeah, thank you so much. Number 2, we were able to get a trophy, again number 2, on deposit mobilization.
Oh, congratulations.
Now we have been, we are able to make our members have that culture of savings. You know, if you don't save, if you are eating everything, if you are consuming everything that you are earning, then your future is not assured. You'll be in trouble when it comes to the future. So by us encouraging and of course giving back or giving good returns to our members and customers, we were ranked number 2. Again for the agriculture-based SACCOs because of good deposit mobilization initiatives. So we are very proud about that. There is another product that we have brought on board on Macau. In order to support our government on the affordable housing agenda, we brought on board a Macau loan product. Macau we can say is the equivalent of mortgage.
Okay.
Our members are able to get a loan, acquire a residential house, or they can also be able to construct commercial property. For those in manufacturing, they can also be able to have their go downs and so on. Within a period of about 1 year, we have been able to grow that loan book to around now 600 million. And it is still growing. The demand is too high such that we are reorganizing ourselves so that we can be able to meet that demand. So we are very proud, we are very happy about that progress, and we are still exploring and many other areas or many other products that we can have for our members so that they get satisfied by our services. And hence that is the reason why again we are here to celebrate our customers during this customer service week.
So it's all about celebrating our customers. And guys, that's going to mark the end of the first episode. When we come back, we're going to talk, get now deep inside the Tai Sacco itself, and what are these things that makes it very competitive. Remember guys, you're watching the Tai Sacco podcast, and we are here on day 2 of the customer service week. With me is the CEO of Tai Sacco, Mr. John Mwangi.
It has over 80,000 members, with its presence felt through 10 branches in Kiambu and Nairobi, with an asset base of 4 billion Kenya shillings.
Nilienda nikapewa pesa ya loan, nikanunua ng'ombe, nikaongeza sababu nilikuwa na moja.
I was able kupata loan ya kwanza 80,000, nikanunua mashini ya kwanza.
Tai also bought us the first 2 pickups to start with.
This is the story of Tai Sacco, which was started 30 years ago by tea farmers, but now it's open to all, including business people and employees in private and public sectors. Tai Sacco Society Ltd, whose headquarters is at the Tai Plaza in Githunguri, Kiambu County, is a deposit-taking and savings credit society. It was registered in 1992 as a back office services activity under the name Kiambu Tea Growers Sacco. This was necessitated by the farmers' inability to get loans easily from commercial banks.
They realized that they were very much constrained and they needed the money to continue with the normal operations in the tea picking, paying for wages. So they realized that they had to come together and form their own, which they could be able to control themselves without relying on the conventional banks.
In 1992, we were only dealing with back office activities where members would just come, save for 6 months, then borrow. Fast forward to 1989, we opened the front office activities where members could come, deposit their money. In case they require to withdraw the same monies in the same day or the following day, they could be able to do that like we have in conventional banks.
In 2004, Tai Sacco registered a major milestone when it moved from manual to computerized services.
On inception, we were Kiambu Tea Growers Sacco. Then I moved first to 2009 when we rebranded. We decided through the annual general meeting to change the name to Tai Sacco so that we can be able to go to other counties, Nairobi, Murang'a, Mombasa, and the other counties in our country. We also removed the name tea so that we can bring on board other sectors, employed people, like this can
And we are welcome back. Remember, it's all day 2 of the Tai Sacco podcast, and we are here with the CEO, Mr. John Mwangi, and we are talking about Tai Sacco, where it came from. Already we've had some staggering statistics there. Over 80,000 members, almost heading to 90,000, and their latest branch is in Nakuru County, already hitting over 1,000 members. This is definitely the Sacco to be in. The plan already they have for Rift Valley counties. So if you are in Narok, you are in Kajiado, you are in Uasin Gishu, if you are in any other county, this Sacco is all about any other person from any other part of the country. I know the CEO, also the diaspora, is not left behind.
You're right, thank you. We currently, as we talk, we have more than, we are heading to 500 diaspora customers, and they are doing quite well. They are patronizing our many products. And so far, for more information, we have given loans close to 60 million to the diaspora customers and members. Mainly for them, they want to buy land, they also want to buy houses and also construct. That is the main area where they are concentrating on. Yeah, thank you.
Recently, we've had people have challenges like they send some money to their relatives to build a house, and then that money doesn't arrive. So right now, are you saying your products are already customized such that if I'm in Italy, I'm in England, I simply use the money, like you guys can fully sort me out?
You're right. Yeah. If you have an idea of a property, wherever it may be in our country, Nairobi, Nakuru, Kisumu, whichever part of the country, you identify it, we connect you with the owners and so on, we procure it and buy it for you. You don't have to get worried about your relatives, about the brokers. We have sorted that area. We have customized a very good product for the diaspora customers, and they are happy about it. We are giving them good money.
So if you are at diaspora, I think because it's about the customer service week.
True.
Just a quick message for them.
Yeah, for those in the diaspora, Tai Sacco is the place to be. You need not carry your worries with you about investment. We will take care of them. Yours is to get the product that you want to have or to acquire. Thank you.
So when you talk about SACCOs and with the financial landscape constantly changing, how does Tai Sacco plan to stay competitive and continue providing the innovative financial solutions to meet the ever-changing needs of your members?
Yeah, thank you for that. On the area of staying competitive, the direction that the financial space is taking is technology. Technology. In the morning, in the afternoon, day one of the month to the last day of the year, technology. We have invested well in technology. We have a good system that is serving our people. As I said earlier in the interview, our members are able to access their accounts using their phones, transferring money, paying for utilities, and so on. Away from tech, okay, of course, we have good staff. We have the best staff that any institution can have.
And you have to stop there again, yes. Customer Service Week.
True.
I know it's your staff that continues serving these people.
Exactly.
Just give them a direct message.
Yeah, thank you. Again, our members and customers, we have the best staff that any financial institution can have, so that you can get an experience. We don't just want you to be served. We want you to have an experience of being a member of Tai Sacco, that which you can talk to your friends, your relatives about how you are working with Tai Sacco for transformation and a better future and prosperity. Yes.
So if you are a Tai Sacco staff or you are part of the team, we salute you here. It's all about the Customer Service Week, and it's all about celebrating all the people who serve these customers. You really celebrated from all the 11 branches, including Nakuru, which is a big celebration for this. You are talking about technology as one of the achievements that you've made, and that means comfort and reliability. Guys don't need to travel again looking for financial solutions. They all have it on their phones. That's really incredible. I know as somebody thinks about technology, they also think about cybersecurity. How secure are your systems? So what would you tell somebody who may be worried, maybe my money can get lost? How do you have security measures that you put on all your systems? Are they secure?
Yeah, true. Thank you for that. Security is key. When you talk about money, and especially in our country, the issue of cybersecurity is something pertinent that we have taken a lot of keen interest on to ensure that the members' funds are secure. Internally, of course, as I said, you have a team of IT people who are ensuring that, for example, the devices that people come with to the place of work cannot be used in our systems. It is not possible for them to use them. Try to insert them, they can't be viewed, or you cannot be able to use them. Passwords are there. The multi-factor authentication applications are there. There is also the issue of OTP, one-time password, especially for our agents. By the way, we have almost 150 agents in our area of operation. Nairobi, Kiambu County, and now going to Nakuru. When you go to an agent, you want to withdraw money, you get an OTP, one-time password. Once you use it, it expires. So you don't even have to worry about the agent having access or hearing about what your password was. Number two, something else that you have done on security, we have outsourced managed security services. So we have a partner who is monitoring the operations of our systems on a 24/7 basis. Each and every day, we normally get a report about any penetrations or attempts to penetrate our systems. So our IT people are able to read that report. They're able to know where the attempts were and take action immediately. So if there is somebody who is accessing or trying to access our systems after working hours, that report is there. Anybody who is trying to access the systems during the weekend, Saturday after work, Sunday, public holidays and so on, there is a similar report. Any attacks from outside, or attempts, let us call them attempts, are reported on a daily basis. So we are able to take action immediately. Of course, maintenance is also there by different providers so that we separate these different activities. So security is key. We do not take it for granted as far as members' funds are concerned.
And talking about that, and with your years of experience, that means it's really intact. And guys, it's really amazing to have a team fully take care of their security. Yeah. So moving away from that, I know you're already a good Sacco. Are there some initiatives that you have on corporate social responsibility, or ways in which you're giving back to the society?
Yeah, thank you for that, Bon Alphonse. Now, on the area of social security, one of the major projects that we have this year is forming a Tai Foundation. We took the final documents to the NGO Council last week, so that we have a fully fledged Tai Foundation to take care of issues to do with the community, giving back.
Yes.
And by the way, it's not that we are starting a foundation and those activities now. We have been having them even before we have the foundation. It is because we would wish to go to the next level. Like for example, this year, we started sponsoring students from needy backgrounds, and we took two. We took one boy from a school called Gedega High School who had done very well, but the parents were not able, and we also took another boy to Chani High School. Chani High School is in Thika.
Yeah.
And those two boys are doing very well. We are proud of it.
Okay.
We will sponsor them all the way up to Form 4. And each year we shall be taking two. So by the end of 4 years, we shall be having how many? 2 by 4.
And I even imagine when the foundation is now fully fledged,
we can even take more.
You can double the numbers.
Or even triple. We will take as many as we can.
Yeah.
Now, away from education, we are also in environment. Environment is another pillar that we have in our CSR program. By the way, we have been given a plot of land about an acre in Ruiru Dam. Ruiru Dam is the dam that is supplying Nairobi with water.
Yeah.
It is in Kiambu County, Githunguri sub-county.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, so all the water in Nairobi?
Not all. Unajua Nairobi ni kubwa. Part of the water that is used in Nairobi comes from Ruiru Dam, which is in Githunguri sub-county. We have a plot there about an acre where we have planted indigenous trees. We ourselves, and we maintain that particular plot. We also joined the like-minded organizations to do cleanup in our townships, Githunguri, Gatundu, Kamwangi, and the others. Away from that,
before you move away from that, you've talked about climate programs on climate change. And you remember the country has just had a big celebration on the Africa Climate Summit, which was hosted in Nairobi.
True.
And our president has really been passionate about things to do with climate change. I'm so happy that it means the Sacco fully aligns to the objectives of our president.
True, you're right.
Yeah.
We are assisting. By the way, when the current member of parliament for Githunguri came on board, or when she was elected, Gathurwa Mushomba, allow me to mention her name.
Yeah.
She had a marathon around Ruiru Dam to promote so many activities in her initiatives. Yeah. We were part of the team that was supporting the Ruiru Dam marathon. It is so much on tree planting. She had come up with a lot of seedlings for people to do the planting. So we are in it. We want to support our government. We want to support our president in that particular initiative.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So moving on to
away from environment, we are also in health. What we have been doing in health, we normally partner again with the county government. For now, we have the one activity that we held, we partnered with the county government of Kiambu, plus other private hospitals in our area of operation, and we held a medical camp. Again, it was near Githunguri, in an area called, just near Githunguri town. And we are able to serve so many people. The doctors were offering, for example, medical checkups for high blood pressure, diabetes, there is cancer. By the end of the day, when we are crossing, we still had a very long queue of people who wanted to have that interaction with the doctors. We could not be able to meet the requirement in a single day. So we are doing it. And by the way, on that issue, once again, normally when we interact with our members during members' education, either growers, barazas, or for business people, we normally have business ranches. We normally invite a medical practitioner so that they can talk to the different clientele, the different types of members that we have about health issues. Because you see now, if you are not healthy, if you have health issues,
you cannot save more.
You cannot save more, productivity goes down. So that is key to us. And of course, giving back to the community, we normally do it the best way we know how. And with Tai Foundation, through our contribution from Tai Sacco, and of course by having other partners who are like-minded to us, we will be able to do even into the future.
So all these are what you're bringing into each of the branches that you're having, each of the 11 and growing.
Yes, true. Yeah.
Amazing. So talking about the Sacco still, I would like us to do another break. When we come back, it's going to be all about the customer service week. And I'm so happy when I see you've already categorized it for us. You've already mentioned that you have over 150 agents. I know you'll have a message for them. You also have your clients at the diaspora. And you also have amazing team of staff who are always serving these customers. And your members who are over 80,000 heading into 90,000. Really amazing. It's all about the customer service week. And we are going into our second break. And when we are back, it's all a message for you, our customer, and our member, as he says it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It has over 80,000 members, with its presence felt through 10 branches in Kiambu and Nairobi, with an asset base of 4 billion Kenya shillings.
Nilienda nikapewa pesa ya loan, nikanunua ng'ombe, nikaongeza sababu nilikuwa na moja.
I was able kupata
during the special week. Any token of appreciation.
Tai also bought us the first 2 pickups to start with.
This is the story of Tai Sacco, which was started 30 years ago by tea farmers, but now it's open to all, including business people and employees in private and public sectors. Tai Sacco Society Ltd, whose headquarters is at the Tai Plaza in Githunguri, Kiambu County, is a deposit-taking and savings credit society. It was registered in 1992 as a back office services activity under the name Kiambu Tea Growers Sacco. This was necessitated by the farmers' inability to get loans easily from commercial banks.
They realized that they were very much constrained and they needed the money to continue with the normal operations in the tea picking, paying for wages. So they realized that they had to come together and form their own, which they could be able to control themselves without relying on the conventional banks.
In 1992, we were only dealing with back office activities where members would just come, save for 6 months, then borrow. Fast forward to 1999, we opened the front office activities where members could come, deposit their money. In case they require to withdraw the same monies in the same day or the following day. They could be able to do that like we have in conventional banks.
In 2004, Tai Sacco registered a major milestone when it moved from manual to computerized services.
On inception, we were Kiambu Tea Growers Sacco. Then I moved first to 2009 when we rebranded. We decided through the annual general meeting to change the name to Tai Sacco so that we can be able to go to other.
And finally, we are here. Now, it's all about the big week, the customer service week. Remember, it starts on 2nd, meaning yesterday we had our day 1.
True.
And I saw already amazing pictures of the team there, some balloons in each of your branches.
True.
So do you have some gifts for this guy, any of your members when they move into any of your branches? And also, where are these branches?
Thank you so much for that. In our customer service week, which again started yesterday, just visit our branch. You get our very good staff. You can't miss something there. You can either get an umbrella. You may also get a pen. You might also get a cap. Yeah, we have quite a good number of tokens of appreciation. By the way, we are also having a deposit mobilization during this same customer service week. So please visit any of our branches. And our branches are in Githunguri town in Kiambu County.
Yeah.
We have another branch in Gatondo South. We have another one in Kamwangi in Gatondo North. From Kamwangi, we have Kagwe in Rari sub-county. From Rari sub-county, you have another one again in Githunguri called Kegumo. Kegumo branch.
Oh, right.
From Kegumo, you have another branch in Roiro.
Oh, that's so close to Nairobi.
True. You have Roiro. From Roiro, you have Thika in Thika sub-county. You have another one in Githurai. Githurai is on the border between Kiambu County and Nairobi. From Githurai, you have Kimende. Kimende is on the highway.
Yeah.
From Lemuru heading to Nakuru before flyover.
Yeah.
Then you have Nairobi. Nairobi is next to St. Peter's Catholic Church.
And I think for Nairobi, we got to give the direction because I remember when we had the celebration for Nairobi, so many people are excited about it. So if you are a customer, I know majority of you are within the Nairobi town. This is at the CBD, right?
True.
Meaning very accessible.
Very accessible.
Okay.
It is on the Race Course Road. You move from the old OTC bus station, heading to Ukulima House. Before Ukulima, there is the St. Peter.
Oh, that big church.
Yes, St. Peter Catholic Church.
The Catholic Church.
Yes, just next there, next to it, we have our Nairobi branch. Very beautiful, very good customers, and we are ready for you. From Nairobi, we are in Nakuru. We are in Kenyatta Avenue, where you have most or all the financial institutions. We are in the Radio Arcade building, a very nice branch, and we are doing quite well. So welcome to any of our branches, and you are going to get excellent services. Welcome.
So what message can you convey to your valued customers during this special week?
Now to our customers and members, please, we value you. We look forward to you patronizing our products and getting transformed from the many activities that you're having to be a better person in your sector. What I would also request from our members and customers, once you join Tai Sacco, have a name. Why did you join Tai Sacco? I joined Tai Sacco so that I grow my investments in fixed deposits, So by the end of the first year, I want to have accumulated maybe 2 million or 500,000 or even 200,000. By the end of the second year, I want to be here. Or maybe you are an employee. By joining Tai Sacco, you would wish to get a loan after 1 year or after 6 months or after 1.5 years. So that at the point of joining, there is that which you are projecting to do after a given period of time. Or maybe you want to be a member of a group, and this group would wish to acquire maybe a piece of land somewhere in Maimahio, in Eldoret, or whichever other place. So when you have a name, or when you have an idea of where you want to be within a given period of time, please come to Tai Sacco. We will work with you. Otherwise, if you join the Sacco, yes, you have done well. But then maybe when you want to now enjoy that particular thing that attracted you to Tai Sacco, and you have not been working with our team of staff who are very good in customer service, you might require, for example, a loan. Then that is after one year or after 6 months or after 1.5 years. Then you are given a checklist of requirements. Number one, we require so many deposits. We require this amount of share capital. We require you to give us a security of a title deed, a log book. We require a guarantor, so many things. Then you'll be asking now, I've been with you people for the last 1 year, for the last 6 months. You never told me these things. So please, once you join the Sacco, get to interact with our staff. They will guide you. You work with them until you achieve that which attracted you in a very big way into our institution. And that experience is something that you will enjoy for the rest of your life. For as long as you are a member of Tai Sacco and you are interacting well with our good staff, you'll be a different person, and that experience will be too good for you to leave Tai Sacco.
So when I see you just mentioned something that I can join as an individual, or I can also join as a group. Is it?
True. Yes, you're right.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you for that. Now we have a department that deals with the groups.
Oh.
These groups could be groups of women coming together. Maybe they are 10, 15, 20.
Like the chamas,
chamas, even men nowadays. Men nowadays are having what we are calling investment groups. And by the way, they are doing very well.
Remember, there was also the boys' club, like some people come together.
True.
They want to do something as friends.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just come together, form your group, open an account. But remember, once again, as I said, have a name. Why did you form this group? You wish to buy maybe a piece of land. You wish to own a vehicle, a matatu or a bus or whatever. Then we have a product for them.
Yeah.
Once after the given period of time of running about the requirements for the group, the constitution has to be there for the group, because of course, you know, when more than one people come together, there is bound to be differences and some conflicts here and there. Exactly. Yeah. So you require what? A constitution, so that you are guided well.
Yes.
So welcome. We have those groups, and they are also doing very well. And we have a customer relationship officer, microcredit, or a relationship officer, microcredit, who will be dealing with you directly once you join any of our branches. Yeah.
Amazing. So looking ahead, what are some of the upcoming products or services or campaigns or initiatives that our listeners should look forward to from Tai Sacco?
Thank you for that. Now, one of the areas where we are very interested in, again, is technology. We have some work in progress on internet banking, where of course, using your phone and our mobile app, you can be able to transact over the internet.
Right from my phone.
Yes, from your phone. So that is one of the products that we are working on right now.
Okay.
Another product that we are working on, or another solution that we are working on currently right now, as I said, you have many agents, you have more than 150. We want our agents to be recruiting members and customers on our behalf. So we want to enable them. You see now, you could be, there are those people who are not tech savvy.
Yeah.
They want to go to an agent who they can interact with. They can
One-on-one.
One-on-one. They can be able to open an account from the many agents that we have. That is another solution that we are working on. Of course, as I have said, we have this product we are very passionate on, the Macau, to enable our people in the residential houses or commercial. We are still looking at it to make it even better, to reach more people. You see now we could be having a product which is confined to a few people. We want to make it, to sell it more to the many other, all our branches. Then we have Nakuru branch. We have not officially opened the branch. We are looking forward to having a lounge of a big ceremony.
Okay, make sure you invite me.
Yes, true. We want to have it possibly in the first quarter of 2024.
2024.
That is next year. So we want even the governor of Nakuru to know that Tai Sacco
is in the
wamefika.
Washafika.
Yes.
Great. Guys, we have to look at some of the feedback that's coming online, and I'll read them directly to the CEO, Mr. John Mwangi. The first thing that somebody is asking is, do you have ways in which you receive feedback, and do you listen to customers' feedback?
Yes, true. That's a good question. We listen to our members and customers. We are on Facebook. We have our email. If you have any issue that you wish to raise with us, we employ an open door policy. You need not necessarily have an appointment with us. If you feel that there is an issue that is disturbing you, just pop in any of our branches. We have customer relationship officers at the customer care desk. We also have our branch managers, including our head office staff. Just pop in, raise your issue, it will be attended. If that customer care person or relationship officer person is not having an answer, he or she will refer you to the senior so that you get that information that possibly is lacking. So welcome. Anytime, you can even make a call. We have mobile lines for all our branches. We have the customer care lines. You can call anytime. Yes, and we respond immediately on any challenges that you could be having.
Thank you very much. The next question is, if somebody wants to bank, so I think somebody has heard about WhatsApp banking. Is that a solution you have?
Yeah, true. Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Juan Alphonse. We have WhatsApp banking. By the way, we are among the first SACCOs to come up with WhatsApp banking. Yeah, we have a number which you use. Then you'll get a menu from that number or from that account, and sure enough, you'll be able to access your account. And either you'll be able to deposit, to withdraw, to transfer, do anything that you wish to do with your account through WhatsApp banking.
Amazing.
Yeah, thank you.
So what advice would you give to potential members or those considering to join the SACCO?
Thank you for that. If you would wish to join Tai Sacco, we do not have very many demands. Just walk into any of our branches. You don't even have to carry your passport. You take them from the customer care desk. You require very little money, about with 1,000, you'll be able to open your account. And the 1,000, of course, is because we require some shares from you, about 100 shillings to start with. You also have to give us some 500 shillings. The entrance fees, we shall also give you a card. The card will be having your name, your account number, plus of course our pay bill. Our pay bill is 644700.
So the pay bill is 644700.
Okay. Yeah, so 1,000 is good enough. You are able to open an account and become a member. But then, of course, you patronize the particular product that you are interested in.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, that is it. And from there, as I said, once again, have an idea of what has interested you so much in Tai Sacco, so that you work with our good stuff, so that you'll be able to benefit from being a member of Tai Sacco. By the way, we pay good dividends every year. For the many years that you have been around, that 1 year to be precise, we pay dividends every year. That is on share capital, and you also pay interest on the deposits. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so by the way, that is what makes loans for the SACCOs very cheap. Mm-hmm. Yes, you have the deposits, which at times act as guarantee to a loan. Mm-hmm. You get a return from those deposits that you have given to the SACCO. Yep. So if a loan is at a rate of maybe 13% or 12%, if you want to get the effective cost of your loan, you reduce the interest on the deposits. Oh, so yeah. At the end of the day, you find that the loan or the money that you have gotten is very cheap. So that is one of the other reasons that you should be a member of a SACCO. Yeah, you earn twice, you benefit twice, cheap loans, and also get convenience, and of course the interest at the end of the year. Yes.
Very interesting, guys. We have to come to the end of this, but before we do that, I'd like you to give just your closing remarks, and this is just exclusive, your message for your customers during this customer service week.
Thank you, Bon Alphonse, once again. Our customers, our members, we appreciate you. We appreciate you. We honor you. We treasure you. Welcome to Tai Sacco. Have an idea of how you would wish to benefit from being a member of Tai Sacco, and be assured that you will never regret becoming a member of Tai Sacco. You will surely be transformed to a better citizen of this great country of ours. Thank you, and have a very lovely customer service week. Asante.
Thank you so much. That has been a very interesting conversation with the CEO of Tai Sacco, Mr. John Mwangi. He just told us about the amazing stuff there from Tai Sacco, from all the products, the Macau product that helps you actually own a property. Very interesting. We've had also a message for the diaspora community. We are all included. Groups of people who like to join this circle, it's all available. Remember, they have just been celebrated number 2 as among the circles that really implements technology. He's also assured us of the cybersecurity measures that they have taken. Their systems are fully secured. They have extra measures for security. And remember, because it's all about issues of money, they have enough branches. And we are told that this week, during the customer service week, they have amazing products for you. You can simply walk into any of their branches, with the latest branch, Nakuru, which we are celebrating right now. Remember also that we have the foundation that is coming up, and amazing programs that they are running on environmental conservation, on education, and also on health, plus many others. We'll really look forward. So if you are someone, you are not yet a member of Tai Sacco, this is the time. Simply head to the website www.taisacco.coop. That is .coop. That's an abbreviation of cooperative. And you'll find there the live chat support, the amazing team here. And during this customer service week, we really appreciate all the agents of Tai Sacco spread across the country. We also appreciate all the members, not just customers, but members of the Tai Sacco, and the team, the staff, the amazing teams that are there in each of their branches, helping you always whenever you have a loan, whenever you want to join. You're really welcome. Until next time, this was Tai Sacco Podcast. Welcome.